If you've heard about affiliate marketing before, well, the platform that we're going to be talking about today is affiliate marketing, but with a twist. You'll be able to earn money over and over again as long as you have a smartphone or a laptop and an internet connection. There'll be no creating or watching videos, no answering surveys, no selling. It's another beginner-friendly method that anyone can employ no matter where in the world they're from. And if you want to find out for yourself how this can work for a newbie, then stick around because I'll be explaining everything in this video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the simplest, and most legit ways to make money online. If you're someone seeking financial freedom, or if you just want to start 2022 strong, then make sure that you join our growing community by clicking on the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell below because that's exactly what we'll be helping you do. And with that said, let's go make some money! The platform in question for today's video is called OfferVault, which you can find on offervault.com. OfferVault is a CPA affiliate marketing program, and CPA, if you don't know, stands for Cost Per Action Marketing. In layman's terms, that simply means that you'll get paid each time you get someone to perform a certain action. And some examples of actions that you might need to get others to do would be to submit an email address, submit a mobile number, download a file, join a contest, etc. So similar to other affiliate networks like JVZoo or ClickBank, you get a referral link to offers on the OfferVault network. But unlike the offers that you'll find on those platforms, offers on OfferVault are free. Meaning, people don't need to buy products or services from you to get paid. Instead, you get an agreed amount when you get them to perform a task, usually one of the ones I mentioned above. On their website, OfferVault defines itself as a reference tool to help you find offers to promote, which you can in turn earn from. And to get started, I want you to visit the website offervault.com. Now, the trickiest part about this whole strategy would be to find the offers that people will actually want to sign up for. And you can do this by narrowing down the category or by searching for specific keywords on the search bar. Checking out the categories here, there's email submit, free trial, CC submit, there's install, survey, pay-per-call, etc. So straight away, without selecting a category or typing in any search word, you see the different offers available on their network. And because this is cost per action or CPA affiliate marketing, you get paid every time someone completes an action. Now, the specific amount that you'll get paid does vary per offer, so you'll need to find the best ones. There are a number of things you can consider when selecting your first offer. You can choose to get one that pays better, but entails getting people to do something more difficult, like entering in their credit card details. I'm personally pretty hesitant sharing sensitive information like that, but if you have a market that's open or if you're confident that you'll be able to pull it off, then the earning potential here can be pretty significant. On the other hand, you can choose something that won't be too hard for people to do, for example, submitting their email address. Email addresses are just usually exchanged for a free download or sometimes even for nothing, so it's technically not too difficult to convince people to do this. And because of this, the payout for this action is also much lower than getting someone to submit his credit card information, for example. So let's say you decide on email address submit as the action that you want to get people to do. On the search bar, you can type in what people will get in exchange for submitting their email address. For example, you can specify gift cards or PayPal money, and then you can select email submit in the category. Doing this will allow you to find offers that will automatically give you a foot in the door because of how easy and appealing they are. So alright, let's actually try that out now. As you can see, after selecting email submit as my category and then typing in gift card on the search bar, the results repopulate and you get all of these offers that you can select from. Besides knowing that these offers will give your audience a chance to win gift cards in exchange for their email address, you also see the payout, which is how much you'll get each time someone uses your link to enter in their email address. The amounts on this page range from $240 to $325, and while those aren't mind-blowing figures in themselves, they can add up if you put the work in. It's honestly much simpler to do that than the kind of affiliate marketing that you're more familiar with and that you've heard of before, because you don't even need to do any selling. You don't need to convince anyone to take their credit card out. Instead, all they need to do is enter their email address and you get paid. And while not everyone who enters their email address will get a gift card, that's not how it works, and anyone who tells you otherwise is lying. Most people won't mind giving their email address for a chance to win something they're interested in. On the flip side, let's try credit card submit as our category. So as you can see here, the payout for this action is much higher. On this page alone, I can see that it can reach up to as high as $63 for each time someone enters his or her credit card details through your link. And that's huge. That's $630 for just 10 signups, or over $6,000 for 100. So it's really up to you which strategy you want to try to employ. One thing you have to note is that there are specific offers that target specific countries. For example, a company that's trying to get credit card information for people from Canada, it means that if you get someone from France to send their credit card information in, then it doesn't count as an action. There's actually a filter here that allows you to choose a country, and it's right here just beside categories. So you can also use that as an option to make sure that you're targeting a specific country if you want to. Now let's see how it works. Let's say I want to use email submit as my category and United States as the country. Okay, I see an offer here from Vouchers Avenue that will pay me $320 for each email address, and my audience will get a chance to receive a $1,000 gift card from Walmart. I quite like that, so we can try on clicking on that offer, and as you can see, it should take you to a page like this where you see all of the offer details. Now from here, what you want to do next is to click on Run Next, and it should take you to the page of DYNU Media where you can sign up. Remember, Offer Vault is a reference that will show you all of the different CTA offers available. It's not an affiliate marketplace, so you'll need to register through the DYNU Media page to be able to run the offer and get your affiliate link. As a bonus to those of you who've stayed on until this part of the video, I will share a free and effective traffic source that you can use to effectively promote your CPA links. And the platform that I love using to achieve this is Quora. If you don't know, Quora is a really popular Q&A website, and people use it to just ask and answer questions. Given the nature of Quora, the best way to use it as an effective tool to promote your link would be to look and sound as organic as possible. And you can do this by looking for questions that people are asking about something that's related to your free offer. For example, if your CPA offer gets people who sign up a chance to win Walmart gift cards worth $1,000, you can then search for moms on a budget and tell them how they can get a chance to win a gift card for simply sending in their email address. On the flip side, you can also ask a question, something along the lines of, I hear some people get free GCs to brands like Walmart, Target, etc. How come I never chance upon them? Anyone know promotions that offer free GCs? And then using a friend's account or even another one of your own, you can create an answer to that question and insert your link. I do love using Quora as a way to promote traffic because when you answer questions that other people post, or when you ask questions and get responses, the leads that you get are very warm. Meaning, as long as you look for certain keywords and customize a reply, there's a high chance that the people who do read your post are actually interested in your answer, and that also results to higher clicks on your post. Just make sure to come from a place of help and not to be spammy about it, so you don't get that reputation and no one ever clicks on your links. ever. So there you have it, guys, a simple way to get your foot in the door to affiliate marketing. Do let us know in the comments below which strategy you plan to go for first so we can all exchange even more ideas about the best ways to go about it. As always, if you found any value in today's content, then do show us some love by leaving us a like, a share, and also don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. If you want more money-making ideas, then do check out our other videos. I'll be leaving links to some of them in the description box for you. Also, let us know what you want to see next and we'll make sure to include it in our video lineup. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you again next time.